Welcome or welcome back to Artsy Island Girl Jamaican Vlogs. I'm Artsy and this is our development series where we focus on developments taking place in Montego Bay, Jamaica and across the world. If you're interested in these types of videos, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, subscribe and share. Now let's get into it. Let's visit the section of the Montego Bay Bypass that is being constructed in the Green Park area. We visited this area the last time, but today we're going to venture a bit further than we did the last time to see a bit more of the section of the road that will be coming from the Green Pond area into this section of Irwin. Now on our last visit we saw that the underbridge was being built. Well, the section we saw then has reached the next stage of development. I also got a map of this section of the route. Right here is the underbridge that we're looking at, and you can even see where the different sections of the highway loop through this area. So perfect. Now we are going to climb over that hill to see a bit more of the construction of the Montego Bay Bypass. Let's go. Okay, I can hardly hear you. The sun is really hot, so I had to put up my umbrella. Oh, this is a very impressive structure, especially when you compare it to the recording that I did a few months ago. Bridge. There's another vehicle coming. I wonder if I'm gonna stop from recording. Artsy Island Girl Jamaican Vlogs. 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 This section once had houses, most of which were demolished to make way for the highway. However, there are still sections of Green Park that have houses that are still standing. Now, how would you feel if you were placed in this situation where you had to say goodbye to your investments, your home, memories, and relationships, although you would receive financial compensation for both the physical and emotional loss? Let me know in the comments. If you look over that section there, right where the arrow is pointing, that's the section I climbed the last time. I'm going to show you the section I climbed before. That was very steep and I had a hard time coming down from that hill. And I'm going to show you what you can see when you're standing up there. And right there where you see that little black thing, that's right above the bridge. Of work taking place right now. Look at this. Actually, if I go over that hill, according to the gentleman that's showing me around, I would be able to see over Green Park section. But right now I don't know how they handle this because dust is in my eyes right now. I can hardly see. Repeat that? Oh, you're talking to someone. Oh, look at the... Rain catch me here, so so this section is going to connect you to Green Pond and Saint Irwin connection. So the bridge that's at the bottom of the road there by Dollar View, right?
Yeah.
Right. Oh Lord. So Green Pond, may I look on over there so you know?
Yeah, but I got you to Green Pond High School.
Wow. I was hoping I would see more of Green Pond. Probably next time. See the rain coming?